Hello, my name is Julian Johnston and welcome to 1061 North Venetian Drive, Miami Beach. One of the most beautiful houses in Miami and just finished. Please join me on a tour today. With over 15,000 square feet of land and 100 feet on waterfront, this near 8,000 square foot home is exactly what buyers are looking for today. A beautiful, elegant home with timeless sunset waterfront views. The view doesn't get any better than this. Masoni, LSA, beautiful buildings going up here in Edgewater add to the view. It's a spectacular skyline. Just watch it all night long.